You want some of this?
No.
Okra. That's it for Bob. This is dinner for tonight. This is my pork adobo with honey and little bit sugar. Honey, sugar, garlic, onion, lemon, and apple cider. That's all my ingredients. Here we go. Tonight I'm cooking for pork, garlic, onion, and has lemon, has honey, a little bit sugar, a little bit salt, and mixed with herbs and cinnamon. We have apple cider, of course, olive oil. This is my pork adobo. I put 1 glass water. Now they become like this. Boil, boil, boil until they become like this. Soft. Looks masarap. Just very simple. My homemade recipe. Masarap yan. Keep my husband alive and myself. Eat, eat, eat. I'm gonna have little bit rice. And that's it. Ready to serve. Pork, garlic, and onion. This is my adobo. Adobo, adobo. Lunch, ciao. We're gonna eat. This is for my husband. Happy birthday, Chris Lawrence. This is our lunch and snacks. So mix together. Put olive oil, garlic, onion. All mixed leaves, rice noodles, beans, this. Is broccoli, what's that name? 1 chili. That's it. This one chili, little bit chili. This is a rice noodles with beans, garlic, onion. I put oyster from the tin. Happy birthday to my nephew. This is a cooked birthday. Nice. Put pancit bihon. Here we go. Gonna cook this. Got it from the garden. Okay, I'm gonna cooking. So this is all ribs, mince. Let's mix salad on this one, all sweet potato, ampalaya leaves, ampalaya. So it's good for diabetes and has chili leaves and sweet potato. This is ampalaya leaves, good for diabetes. Capsule. This is capsule. The syrup. Capsule. Gonna cook that now, fresh. I give something. This is give to my friend. I clean. Okay. Wash the soap. So I mix green beans and broccoli. This is the broccoli mixed together. Broccoli, but take out the leaves. Okay. Today, got this from the garden. The green leaves mixed together. I'm gonna wash it. Gonna wash, and I give something to my friend Jenny. So I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna cook rice noodles. This one. So just put that ingredients. Dog barking. Here we go. Dinner for tonight is like this. Prawns and gulay. Steam. Dinner for tonight, just steam. Yummy, yummy. Woo! Hooray! Breakfast time! Yay. Hot dog and eggs. Breakfast. Happy birthday, B-boy, to my nephew. Happy 17th birthday today. Dinner. So this is alright now? I don't know. Time to eat. Oh, masarap. Dinner time. Cook potato and whatever. Barramundi and potato underneath. So I'm gonna put in the oven garlic, onion, and tomato, some carrots. Alright. Ulam ko. Isang tilapiyang slice na isda, fish, tsaka may mga dahon-dahon galing sa aking tanim-tanim. Mga tanim-tanim. Ito. Halo-halo. Dahon, sili, merong dahon ng ampalaya, talbos, paunti-unti. Halo-halo, isa lang sili ilagay. Tapos ito, ilagay ko rin sa soup. Yan si Bob, pwede dito. Pwede siya yan. Ito, this one. Nilagyan ko ng asin. I put salt. Magluto na ng hapunan. Pork and asparagus and baby spinach. Here we go. Dinner for tonight. Dinner time.
No, I don't. Oh, come on. You never imagined how our lives would have gone if
or
We were unimpressed.